Welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp offer to Facebook lead ads lead for restaurants. So I am an owner of a restaurant and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. I run ads for which I am going to send offers towards my customer who are going to send me their details. And I share offers on WhatsApp. Over here, every time a new lead is going to be generated and sending them the offer WhatsApp message manually is a very time consuming and a hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Over here, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers or clients using Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded and I'm sending my WhatsApp messages with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Pabbly Chat Flow is a newly launched product by Pabbly that helps us to manage WhatsApp conversation and send WhatsApp messages effortlessly. And in this video, I'm going to create the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chat Flow with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now if you want to learn this entire process step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp offers to Facebook lead ads leads for restaurants. So as an owner of a restaurant business, I consistently look for new ways to attract more customers with special offers and deals. I use Facebook lead ads to run targeted ads and collect potential customers' contact details when they show interest in my offers. I use WhatsApp to instantly connect with all my leads with personalized message with the exclusive deal or the menu, making the experience fast and engaging. This automation helps me stay connected with interested leads in real time and turn them into paying customers effortlessly. And I'm going to create the amazing automation between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this automation works in real time. I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, and after that I'm going to check whether automatically a WhatsApp message has been forwarded towards my lead or not. Okay, so now let us generate the test lead. And for generating the test lead, I'm going to use Leads Ads Testing tool. Using this tool, we are going to generate the test lead. Firstly, you have to select the page right over here. So for the page, I'm going to select my Facebook page that I've created, with the help of which I'm running my Facebook lead ads in the name of Spice Haven. Okay. After selecting the page for the form, I'm going to select it as the form, that is Spice Haven form, with the help of which I'm collecting my leads data. And then I'm going to click on this preview form button right over here. You can see this is the lead gen form with the help of which I am collecting my leads data. Firstly, it is asking for my lead's first name. So for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as dummy. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as user. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to write in a mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on the submit button to generate the test lead. And you can see it says you are all set. So as now the test lead is successfully generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And on my WhatsApp, you can see right over here, I have received a new message that is, thank you for your interest. Hello, dummy user. This was the name of the lead. Thanks for checking out our special offer. As promised, here's your exclusive 24% off code, food25. Use this code while offering and dining in Spice Haven. Visit us at this address. This is the last day of till when this code is going to be valid, and it says we can't wait to serve you something delicious. Okay, so you can see automatically I have received a WhatsApp message as soon as a new test lead has been generated. And I'm going to create this amazing automation between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After browsing the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you, on which you have two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After that, you can see the all Pabbly apps in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you, and now to create a new automation in our account, we have to create a new workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here. Firstly, we have to name the workflow, which is going to be Send WhatsApp offers to Facebook lead ads leads for restaurants. Okay, you can see this is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select the workflows folder and click on this create button right over here. A new workflow has been created in my Pabbly Connect account, and you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One is the trigger window, other is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first, in which from my trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads. I'm selecting my trigger application as Facebook lead ads because as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers or clients using Facebook lead ads, I want the trigger over here should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected it as Facebook lead ads and the trigger event is going to be new lead instant. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on this add new connection. Then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button right over here. Then it is asking for me to continue with this Facebook account. Yes, I want to do that. So I'm going to continue from here. And as I've done that, you can see I've successfully authorized Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, firstly it is asking for me to select the page. For the page, I've created a Facebook page in the name of Spice Haven. This is the name of my restaurant. And with the help of this page, I'm running my Facebook lead ads. So for the page over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the page that I've created and I'm going to select it from the drop down. After selecting the page, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. I have created a lead ads form in the name of Spice Haven form, with the help of which I am collecting my leads data. So for the form over here, I'm going to select as Spice Haven form. After selecting the page and the form, I want the simple response. So I'm going to toggle this button on right here and simply click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I am now going to generate a test lead. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether automatically the trigger over here captures the response of the new lead being generated or not. And as I've already told you, I'm going to generate the new lead, the test lead, with the help of Meta's lead ads testing tool. Okay. So in order to generate the test lead with the help of this form, it says you can create only one lead per form. You need to delete an existing one in order to create a new one. So now if you have already tested a lead with the help of the form before, you have to delete the lead from here, and after deleting the lead, refresh the page, and then you can only generate a new lead because with the help of a form, you can generate only one lead at a time. Okay. For the page over here, I'm going to select the page that is Spice Haven that I have right here. So from the drop down, this is the page I'm going to select it. For the form, I'm going to select as Spice Haven form, and then I'm going to click on this preview form button. After that, this window is going to appear in front of you, and this is the lead gen form. Now let us generate the test lead. For the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as user. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytudes.com, and a phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on the submit button to do the test submission. It says you're all set. Now the test lead has been generated. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, and yes, you can see right over here the response of the new lead being generated has been captured in my trigger. First name is test, last name is user, this is the email address and the phone number with all the other details. So now as the response has been captured in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads has been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After setting up a trigger step, we need to set up our action step. Now, as we have the lead data towards the lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message, and we're going to send the WhatsApp message towards the lead with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Pabbly Chat Flow is a newly launched product by Pabbly that helps businesses to send WhatsApp message and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In order to use Pabbly Chat Flow on a new tab, we have to firstly browse the website of Pabbly Chat Flow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After browsing the website, Pabbly Chat Flow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Again, on this page, you have two options, sign in or sign up for free. If you're going to sign up for free from here, you're going to find 100 free tasks every month to test your Pabbly Chat Flow account. Okay, I'm going to sign into my account. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window from here, and over here you can see Pabbly Chat Flow. I'm going to access from here. Now, Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account, you You have to add it from this add WhatsApp number, in which you will find two options. If you want to learn about each of these methods step by step to connect your Pabbly Chartflow account with your WhatsApp number, you can find the videos in the description box below. Pabbly Chartflow provides multiple features: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chartflow in brief, you can check out the videos that we have already created and uploaded. Okay, we are going to send WhatsApp messages with the help of Pabbly Chartflow towards our lead, and we are going to send WhatsApp message with the help of the template that I've already created in my Pabbly Chartflow account. Yes, how can we create a template? Go to the templates page of our Pabbly Chartflow account, click on this add template button right over here. It is going to ask for the category. Select the category according to your requirement. Name the template. Select the language from here. Let's suppose I'm going to select it as English. Over here, then it is going to ask for the template type. You can select the template type according to your requirement. You have to, according to your requirement, there are multiple options. Give the header, give the format, give the footer. Click on the submit button right here. The template is automatically going to be created. Okay. I have already created a template over here in my Pabbly Chartflow account to send WhatsApp message that is in the name of instant discount message, and this is the template you can see right over here that I'm forwarding towards all my leads. Okay, it says thank you for your interest, hello. Next to hello you can see it says one right over here. This is a variable. In place of the variable, I'm going to enter the lead's name so that I can send them a personalized WhatsApp message. Okay, so over here it will be hello lead's name, thanks for checking out. You can see this is the same WhatsApp message that we're going to forward towards our lead using this template. Now for that, we're going to set up an action step over here in this workflow, and from action application I'm going to select it as Pabbly Chartflow right over here. This is the action application. Action event over here is going to be send template message. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, and then it is asking for the token. To have this token over here, open your Pabbly Chartflow account right here. From the panel, go to settings and API and webhooks right over here. This is the key. Generate the token from here and copy it from here and paste it in this field right over here of the token, and click on the save button. Pabbly Chartflow is connected to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. To which mobile number are we sending the WhatsApp message? For adding the data of this mobile number, we are going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on the field, the previous step is going to appear in front of you. As I'm going to click on it, the response that is captured in our previous step is going to appear, in which you have received the mobile number of the lead, and towards this mobile number, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. So I'm going to select this mobile number over here from my previous response. But over here in the help desk, you can see it says without the plus sign. We have to enter the number with the country code but without the plus sign, and as you can see over here in the mobile number, we have received this plus sign, so we cannot enter this mobile number right here. So firstly, we're going to format the mobile number. For that, I'm going to add an action step in this workflow, in which from action application, I'm going to select as text formatter by Pabbly. Action event is going to be split text, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. It is asking for the text to split. Which text do we want to edit? I'm going to select the data of this mobile number from my previous response for this text to be edited. As I've selected the data from my previous response, this data has now been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. It is asking for the separator. What do we want to separate? I want to separate this plus sign. So for the separator, I'm going to write it as plus right over here. I want the text after this plus, that is going to be second. So I'm going to select the segment index as second and click on this Stevenson test request button. You can see this is the mobile number without the plus sign. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data of this formatted mobile number right over here. Okay, so WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded towards this mobile number. Now it is asking for the template name. For the template name, we have created a template. If I'm going to open my Pabbly Chartflow account over here again, I have created a template over here in the name of instant discount message. So for the template over here, I'm going to select it as instant discount message. Okay. Header type is text. So I'm going to select it as text right over here. It is asking for header parameters, URL, file name, copy offer code. I do not require all these fields, so I'm going to skip the part.
Lastly, it says enter the body parameter, that is the lead's name. As I've already told you, in this template, I've created a variable. You can see right over here, and you can add the value of the variable right over here. It is asking for the lead's name, so I'm going to map the data of the lead's first name space the last name. Okay. So now, as I've filled in all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, what I'm going to do is over here you can see in this recipient mobile number, I have added a mobile number which is a dummy mobile number. So WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy number right over here. So in place of this dummy mobile number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my mobile number so that I can check whether this workflow is working or not. Okay, so in place of the recipient mobile number, I'm going to add my mobile number for the test. So now I've successfully added my number. Now I'm going to simply click on this save and send test request button right here. Now, as I've done that, I have received a response as it says over here message as a message sent, which is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my WhatsApp over here, you can see yes, I have received a new message on my WhatsApp. Thank you for your interest. Hello test user. This was the name of the lead, and you can see I've received the code and all the other details. So you can see this is how this amazing automation between these two applications works in real time. Now, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers or clients using Facebook lead ads, the trigger Facebook lead ads new lead instant is going to capture the response of that. As we're going to have the leads details, automatically using Pabbly Chartflow send template message, a WhatsApp message towards the lead with the offer is going to be forwarded from my restaurant. Okay, and in this manner, I've created this amazing automation between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chartflow to send WhatsApp offers to Facebook lead ads leads for restaurant offers for restaurant business. And this is how I've created this amazing automation.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.